boy or a girl?
A boy.
Oh no, we will see soon. Watch.
Watch, guys. The ultrasound is like
Ultrasound day.
what the gender.
What the gender is the baby? Healthy.
Healthy or girl or boy.
Yes. Is it gonna be a boy or girl?
A girl.
It's a girl. Okay, you say it's a girl.
Mommy.
So you may have a sister. We'll find out if it's a sister or a brother today. You want to hug mommy?
She don't want me.
Wow. Now we're going to the ultrasound.
You say hi. You didn't say hi. Good morning.
Hi, Mommy.
Remember being in here?
What time? Mommy.
We're going to see the baby in there. Yeah.
Heartbreaking.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this pregnancy's been a lot harder for her.
They're all so different.
This is a daddy. Yes, I'm Mama Tommy.
Yes, a little bit.
Mommy,
Are y'all wanting to find out the gender?
Yes. Yeah.
It's not Mommy Tommy.
Mommy's tummy. Yeah, look at mommy's tummy. She's been drinking too much beer. Oh my gosh. What's going on?
Mama, what is this?
What is that?
I don't know.
It's tiny that like this.
Yeah, her tummy's messy, right?
How old is she now?
She's
How old
3.
are you, Lilliana?
Oh yeah. How old are you?
3.
3. Yeah. Oh wow. Look at the baby. Looks bigger now.
Okay, let's see if we can tell what we're having.
What's this?
What's this? Yeah. What is that?
This is the baby.
It's a baby.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
You see me? Okay.
It was bigger.
Uh-oh.
Let's look at the spine. So the baby's gonna face down.
The baby.
Oh.
This baby.
Oh, okay.
Here's this baby. Mama.
Is she excited about having a baby?
Yeah. She talks to the baby quite a bit.
Oh, what's this, Mama? The baby tummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Mama, what's this?
What do you want, baby brother or baby sister?
Sister.
Oh. That'd be so fun.
Ah.
Having a sister.
No.
No? Why?
What's that? A loose
What part of the spine?
What's this?
flare. Oh.
What's this?
This is my camera.
Yeah.
This is how we take pictures of the baby. So this is going to show the blood flow through the cord. Your baby's super busy.
Loud
Yeah, she
kitchen.
alatik.
Yeah.
And she alatik. I don't know what the gender, but alatik.
Yeah, lots of kicks. Running from me.
Oh, not. This baby not. This baby.
There's the cord floating around. That's good.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Kidneys.
And Mommy's tummy that.
Yeah, that's inside mommy's tummy.
Yeah, there's bubbles.
Bubbles? Is that what that is? Bubbles? Okay, we got a new name.
Nickname.
Baby Bubbles.
This is the other babies are
Yeah.
They're sleeping.
They're sleeping. Oh.
No, the baby.
I think the baby's moving around quite a bit. Kicking mama's bladder.
Yes. Major artery and vein.
Okay.
Dad. What's this, Daddy?
What's what?
What's this?
Oh.
She's so cute.
What's this?
We're at the curious stage, right?
Yes, everything's going. What are you doing?
Oh,
That
why?
was great.
Yeah, this is a sound. Mommy's tummy.
51. Good heart rate.
Yeah, it's not sound my tummy.
So that's how your baby's laying all face down, curled up.
This baby died. Look,
Look, there's a baby in there.
baby here.
Oh.
This
All snuggly.
baby is tummy.
Feet underneath.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look.
What?
It's another girl.
It's another girl? Oh, we got girl. You got a sister like you wanted.
You were right, Lilliana.
90% of the people say it's a boy, so they're wrong. If you've been saying boy, you're wrong. And that's like 100% of the Filipino population would say, I know it's a boy because blah, 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 blah. You are wrong. We got a girl.
Look.
Yeah, two pretty girls.
Yeah.
What's this?
This is the baby.
That's your sister.
It's your sister.
Your sister Bubbles.
No, this is sister.
It's my sister.
You don't want her name to be Bubbles?
She don't want Bubbles now.
Okay, good. That would be hard.
Dinosaur.
Bubbles Butler.
What's this, Bubbles? Bubbles.
Yeah, that's your little sister.
Just like sister.
Yeah.
Here's the cord insert into the
And
tummy.
this mommy, this Tommy, this Tommy.
The tummy.
That's the baby's tummy. Cord insert
What's
into the
this,
placenta.
This is
Ah.
mama foot. This is mama foot.
That's Mama's foot.
Yeah.
Remember you like to tickle Mama's foot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't take it.
I like your foot.
I know. I know you like my foot. Don't take
She
it.
likes feet.
You're having a sister.
This is my twins. This is my friends.
That's your sister.
This is my sister.
Your sister.
She wants.
What?
This
Yeah.
is my sister.
Yeah.
My sister's hiding.
My
Yeah.
sister hiding.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
that's mine.
Always protect and be nice to your sister, okay?